Today we're going to show you how to set up a rule for Policy Enforcer in AvePoint Cloud Management. To start, go into the Cloud Management solution by selecting the Cloud Management icon in AvePoint Online Services. Then, you'll enter into the Administrator module by selecting the module from the screen. Now, to establish the policy, you'll first choose the area in Office 365 where you want the policy to apply. This could be in the OneDrives for Business, Office 365 Groups, or SharePoint Online Site Collections. When you select the area you want the policy to apply, select the Policy Enforcer tab and then create or apply profile. You can then add a rule to the profile to get started. Today, I'm going to select the rule to grant, revoke, or modify permissions. Some of the other popular rules we have are to prevent the copy or deletion of content, control the inheritance protection, the inheritance of permissions within the environment. You can also do things like restrict versioning settings, as well as site depth within the environment. There are currently 36 rules, and those rules will be added intermittently as we create them in DocAv Online or Cloud Management. Once you've applied the rule, you then select the name of the rule to bring you into the rule settings. Here, for this rule, there are options to blacklist or whitelist the rules, the users to whom this rule applies, in the selected scope. You can also filter items and containers in that scope, depending on the rule. Now, for most rules, you have the ability to revert to the original settings against the custom action that you're applying. If you remove this option, it will not revert the changes that are made that are in contradiction to the rule, but you can still use this to get notifications when people take those actions, for instance. Now, down towards the bottom, I have the ability to choose who are going to get notifications when this rule is violated. And then I can also say, look, I want to include the site collection administrators as well as the users who violate this rule. At the very bottom here, I can say I can send these email notifications immediately when the violations are identified. When I'm done configuring the rule, I simply select OK, and my configurations will be applied. I need to make sure I enter in a name for the rule, and then I also have the ability to apply that rule to the scope I've selected. This has been how to create and apply a profile and profile rules via Policy Enforcer into SharePoint. Thanks for watching.